I would tell younger me, take the time that you need just to breathe. Back then when we never had a worry, we were so naive. When I was a younger girl, I wasn't so hardened by the world. Why did I wanna be older? Now our youth is over. I've got low hopes, I have little to no expectations. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold. We spent our whole lives wanting to just grow up. Can't turn back the clock. I used to have so much love. Now I'm so cynical. My past problems don't seem so cruel. Family barely had enough to get by. I used to think the limit was the sky. My imagination seemed to fade away, and I know I've seen better days. Wanna be innocent again, seen too much and I've lost a lot of friends. Never liked to watch my tongue, said what I wanted just to anyone. I miss being a kid, I never should have focused on trying to fit in. Being different was something that I should have cherished. I regret not listening more to my parents. I've got low hopes, I have little to no expectations. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold. We spent our whole lives wanting to just grow up. Can't turn back the clock. I used to have so much love. Now I'm so cynical. My past problems don't seem so cruel. But I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll always get by. I'll always get by. Oh, I'll be fine. Hope you're feeling fine in paradise. Met you in my sleep, said you're living right. Waiting for a sign, searching everywhere, wishing that you're alright. What would you say to me after all this time? You tell me to stop my crying, there's no use in that. As long as you are trying to make every day count. I feel like I can sense you sometimes. The world's playing games with my mind, but God knows that I'm fighting. You tell me to keep it moving. I know that you're sad, but you need to know that you didn't really lose me. I'm always with you every step of the way. Today's a new day, you know you shouldn't waste it. I'm not asking you to forget about me, but think about everyone that's still